What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overdrive. Today we're going to do something special. So in an earlier video on the channel I showed you guys some projects that are coming. So Billy's brother has a Genesis and he's putting on a blow-off valve today. So I'm going to head over there and we're going to install it. I cleaned up the Jetta this morning. It's looking super clean. I got caught in that rainstorm not too long ago, so it got so dirty. So I just tried a new detailer. It's a Meguiar's quick detailer, and it really brings out like the reflection in the paint. I love the way it is. I'm definitely going to use this product more often because the reflection it brings out in the car is like amazing. But yeah, let's head over to Billy's. Alright guys, I just got to Billy's and they already started on the blow-off valve. Oh! Yep. There's the stock airbox. Stock airbox out. Stock filter out. And there we go. So here's the Genesis. They pulled out the airbox as you guys just showed you. And yeah. So where does the blow-off valve sit?
Right now we're going down here for the blow-off valve.
Right there. And then I have the new one.
So Cameron's new blow-off valve is over there.
And what's the brand again?
It's the TurboXS RFL. So it's the loudest blow-off valve you can get.
Jeez guys, look at that.
And we're also going to install.
So you want to explain what that does?
Helps with the rev hang and everything.
Okay.
And there's a bunch of stages. There's 6 stages, and it like you tap on the gas a bit, and it just gives you way more than it would originally.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So the Genesis is coming along. Cam's been working on it. He's got a wing on it already.
I got a new taillight on that side. I have a new one in here. It just needs some work on the taillight.
Got the blacked out taillights. There's like tons more stuff coming. I think you got a front bumper coming too.
Yeah, new headlights as well.
Yep.
And an intake.
So yeah guys, we'll definitely put the Genesis on the channel and get a lot more videos with it.
Just call it spec.
There we go. Boom.
It's you guys. Sorry, I heard
No.
I don't want to.
So I think I can't really see this one. Oh my god, it's coated in something. I think it's oil. Oh, come on.
Alright guys, so right here, this is where the blow-off valve is going to sit. I'm going to show that in place there. So
He's got to twist it.
Actually, Bill, you might need... Well, it lines up like that.
But yeah, we're going to point the horn up like that, and that's basically how it's going to sit in the engine bay. Alright guys, there we go. Blow-off valve's in place. There's 3 screws holding it, 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. And yeah, it was actually a good fit. So
I might have to leave this bitch before I put it on.
okay guys, inlet pipe's in place. Now we got to tighten it. Guys, so we got the intake back on. Cam's gonna get a cold air intake later on, but yeah, we are gonna start it up and see how that shiny blow-off valve looks, see how it sounds. So here we go.
Intake probably isn't automated. Oh, the blow-off valve open.
That's what I mean, like
It's opened already, yeah.
Okay, I want a video of this.
I've never heard a louder blow-off valve.
This thing sounds insane, guys.
My mom's gonna kill me.
So all you Genesis guys, I recommend this mod for you guys because this is sick. So Cam wants to roll the car around on the street, so we're gonna fill up air in the tires so he can take it out, and I'll get some rollers of it. day. But I'm happy that we got the blowout valve on. The car sounds insane. So yeah, I'm gonna head home now. So I'll show you guys probably another video, more of the Genesis.